Flint Hills Resources operates two large and complex refineries. Our group is responsible for mechanical integrity, and each of those refineries presents a number of different opportunities and potential problems from a damage mechanism and corrosion materials perspective. We have at both of our sites, we have nearly 70 some years of operating history, and that history is from many different types of formats. So originally everything was paper records, everything was handwritten information. It's very hard to decipher that information in an efficient manner. It exceeded our expectations, especially on like the handwritten information, to pull that information out and make it a valuable context that we could query on and prompt on into the future is very valuable. So we see the efficiency gains into the future are going to be huge.